Hey, welcome back again. Today's maintenance is going to be front and rear diffs, doing gear lube change using the AMSOIL Easy-Packs 7590 gear lube. Awesome little packs. If you haven't seen them yet, check my website out, 360plusoil.com. Get you all the links to your gear lube, oil, everything else, especially these Easy-Packs. These things are awesome. I'll show you here in a minute. But yeah, gear lube, front rear diff. It's been about 2 years since I did mine last. It's about time. I do a lot of highway driving, not a whole lot of towing, but still, you know me, it's all about upkeep on the maintenance and getting stuff done before something goes wrong. So we'll go ahead and get you flipped around, get underneath here. We'll get the front diff done first, and then we'll go and do the back diff. Should be a quick and easy maintenance. Well, let's go ahead and get these guys prepped first before I get underneath here. That way I can just grab a bag and go once I get this drained. But bags, they're basically a big Capri Sun pouch, if you will. Pretty flexible. You can get your hand up into tight spots. You know, that's all the space you need. And just squeeze them out. Prep them just like a bottle otherwise. Got a good seal up here. Notice they must have used real good glue on these because I've had trouble in the past getting that broke loose, but it comes. Just cut the end off just like your normal stuff. That guy's ready to go. I'll get the other one prepped up, then we'll get underneath here and drain the front diff and fill the front diff up. All right, it took me a bit to get you figured out under here. Usually I pull my truck up on ramps and give myself a little more room, but I want this to be level when I do it, so or as level as possible. Of course, I've been waiting. Neighbors decided to get their yard mowed today, so hopefully that doesn't come out too loud for you on there. I love these dog bones. At least that's why I've always called them. Friggin' saves you, especially when you crawl underneath something like this, to save you from crawling in and out 7 times or bringing more tools than you need, get in the way. We're gonna pop the make sure that fill plug comes loose first. If the fill plug doesn't come loose when you get ready to fill it and you already drained it, you got problems. So fill plug's loose. Get in here. Go ahead and drain it. So this has been about 2 years. I did a video, in fact, last time I did it, which I think, if I saw correctly, was about 2 years ago. Yeah. The initial, I don't know if you saw that, the initial, when it started was pretty dark. Running clear now, but that's everything settled to the bottom. But that's on that, got a mag plug here. So, pretty dark. Doesn't feel gritty. So that's not too bad, but there are definitely a few filings, shavings on there. Again, sorry about the noise in the background there. But we'll let that drain out, and we'll probably Get you flipped here to fill us up with these Easy-Packs. Drain plug all cleaned back up, so that guy's ready to go back in. Alright. Not much room up front here, so you'll get a better idea when we do the back. Just squeeze it on up in. If anybody's ever done their front end or anything really, transfer case, it's got a cross member in the way. You know how getting those bottles up in there can be a pain. Get everything out of the bottle. You end up with a little bit left over in each one. Dump them all into one other bottle to try to get the most out of it. That are sitting there. You got 4 or 5 quarts to put in. Swapping a pump around to each bottle, sitting there pumping it, how slow that goes. So there's one down. Second one may or may not take the whole thing. I just go till she starts dripping out. Just like that. Check just to make sure. See if it's at least up. Yeah, that's good. All right. Guy goes back in, and we'll go to the back end. All right, on the back end, just like before. Just get that fill plug broke loose. And on these guys, the bottom plug, the drain plug, is just 3/8 drive square drive. So just your ratchet, maybe an extension if you need it, is all you need to break that drain plug loose. Do this without busting my knuckles. Holy crap. Stuff tightens up over time a little bit too, I guess. It's in there good, but I also was trying to be careful not to bust my knuckles. Oh yeah, that's not bad at all on the back end. Yeah, we got most of them out of there. Sit here waiting for an hour for that to finish dripping. Maybe we won't snug this up quite as much as it was last time. You know, stuff vibrates and heat and whatnot, so. Alright. Second verse, same as the first. Leave that under there for in case it starts dripping out. Ah, crap. Gotta get it in the hole first. You ever put a quart of oil in something that easy? Tip this upside down too if you wanted to. This one might not take the whole thing. Helps if you put the cap back on all the way though. There you go, we're up there. Not that full. Another job well done. So there you have it, 6 quarts of 7590 AMSOIL Severe Gear, 100% synthetic gear lube, Easy-Packs, easy as it can get. Come on, guy. But anyway. Alright, so there you have it. Front and rear diffs done on my 04 Silverado, 4-wheel drive of course. Easy-Packs. Not much more to say. Got any questions, leave a comment, message me. As always, like, share, comment of course, thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever. If you're looking for the Easy-Packs, AMSOIL 360plusoil.com. Links, of course, in the description. Link right down here at the bottom too. So yeah, that's about all I got for that. See you next time.